Start your next adventure with our 2024 Chevrolet Trax LS front-wheel drive from Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals, Canada's Huggable car dealer. This stylish and reliable compact SUV is built for life in New Brunswick, offering heaps of comfort, safety, and modern technology at an unbeatable value. With only 26,638 kilometers on the odometer, plus our exclusive 12-month Huggable Guarantee and factory warranty, you can drive with complete peace of mind. Packed with features to make every drive a breeze, our Trax LS boasts heated front seats, Bluetooth connectivity, a remote start system, and a rear-view camera. Your safety is our priority, which is why this SUV is equipped with advanced airbag systems, blind spot monitoring, and stability control. Inside, you'll enjoy a spacious cabin, premium cloth seats, and user-friendly controls designed for your comfort. Perfectly suited for Fredericton city living and weekend getaways, this Trax is ready to handle it all. With zero-down financing, a full tank of gas at delivery, and top value for your trade-in, we make car buying stress-free and fun. Drive it home today for less than $109 weekly, all in. Call now to book your test drive.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer